I love eating head of the fish. If I would choose, I love the head. Oh, thank you. We're all the same. Any countries. Any countries. Fried fish very much. Me too. But still, fried fish, I still love the head. Always head, head, head. Head of the fish, fried fish, and then dip to the vinegar with onion, uh, hot pepper. Wow, it's really good.